finally happening. Demo day. Yes. Do you think I could kick in this baluster? Let's find out. Now, I didn't take karate classes like some of you people, so don't make fun of me, okay? Just for fun. Guys. I may have dented the wall with that last one. Archie is gonna kill me. At least I didn't hit the sconce. I just won't tell him until he finds out on here. Let's go back to the kicking. That seems to work a little better. Bear witness, the world's oldest jigsaw. Pretty sure this thing is as old as I am. Thanks, Dad. Time to rip up all our hard work. Bye-bye, carpet. This is obviously a somewhat hazardous situation. So I'm gonna do what's called an exploratory cut or exploratory demo to see what's under this so I don't fall through the stairs or something. That's basically just a fancy way of saying I'm gonna be really, really careful when I take off this first board. This is really good news. There is no skirt board for this stair and I want to add one, but I didn't know if the stringer was going to be butt up against the wall, but it looks like we're going to have enough room to fit that. Heck yeah. I cannot tell you how happy I am to see that gap. I was really worried that I was going to have to move a stringer. Now that I know my strategy, I'm just going to start ripping up these treads for the risers. I'm trying to salvage them. Need to be more careful removing those. This is my favorite part of any construction project, when you can start to see the bones of the building. Who knew that I had a steel I-beam there? I didn't. Now I do. It's just fascinating to me to see it start to come apart so it can go back together. Maybe that's just me. Architect nerd things. Yummy. I may have spoken too soon about the stringers. Generally speaking, these stairs are pretty shoddy construction. I don't know what any of this blocking is for. I'm assuming maybe they thought that would be for a railing or for leveling the treads. I don't really know. Pieces of the stringer are breaking off. Maybe I can secure it into the skirt board when I install it. There's a few stringers that are cracking. Even the connection at the top of the stringer looks a little sketchy. I don't want these stairs falling through this drywall at one point, so I might need to re-secure up there. Yikes. Even with the risers that I was gonna try to salvage, those are pretty shoddy too. Maybe I'll still use them, but cover them or something, because they don't look great now that they're up close. And all this garbage, everything was breaking apart. I think I only managed to get 3 boards out whole out of 9. That's it for today, but don't forget to like and subscribe for part 3 and follow along for more home DIY.